Tours and Activities at the Philippine Eagle Center, an episode of series, Guide to the Philippine Eagle Center, Davao City. Mike Aquino. The park succeeds in its goal of serving as an awareness-propagating mechanism for the Eagle's cause. For about 20 years now, the Philippine Eagle Center has educated schoolchildren, tourists, and Philippine big shots on the need to preserve the haribon and its habitat. Today, about 100,000 visitors tour the center yearly. A free guided tour of the facilities can be arranged in advance. Book early to make sure a guide is available. Bigger groups can arrange for a lecture on the park's programs, including its captive breeding program and its ongoing field research on the last eagles remaining in the wild. A scheduled keeper talk is also on offer, where a caretaker will give a short lecture about the eagle, the center, and their work. A falconry demonstration can also be arranged, for guests who want to see smaller raptors in action.